Hey folks, we're here at Alice, Texas at 2631 West Front Road here in Alice, Texas. It is about a block, 2 blocks away from Highway 281. If you go that way, takes you out to Orange Grove. Go this way, takes you out to Falfurrias, and if you go that way, it'll take you out to San Diego, out to Hebronville, Zapata. We are auctioning off this piece of land. It's sitting on about 2 acres with 2 large warehouses. One warehouse has the offices, has 2 offices inside, air conditioned, and the back, and then has a warehouse right here, non-AC, the work area. Folks, it's got an American division overhead crane that holds up to 3 tons. We've got this area, this warehouse right here, which has a place where you can store your items. This place is sitting on 2 acres, folks. I'm gonna take you around to see the property. You walk about 50 feet down this way. The property is bigger than 50 feet. This is the front, and it goes all the way to the back. Fence back there. Right over here. You walk this way again. It is a fenced-in property. Está cercada esta propiedad aquí en 2631 West Front en Alice, Texas. Esta propiedad la estamos subastando aquí en cmauctions.com. Visítenos cmauctions.com. This auction opened up this past Sunday, and we'll close the following Thursday, the 16th. You walk down this way, camine para acá, and you can see the property. It is a large 2-acre property. You walk this way, camine para acá, y acá va a ver lo de atrás de la propiedad. Esta propiedad la estamos subastando aquí en cmauctions.com. Ya abrió este pasado domingo y va a cerrar el próximo jueves 16. Thursday the 16th will be closing date at 3 p.m. Folks, you don't want to be left behind on this. This is a nice property. It's got its own water well. I was told that it will need some repair on that water well. So here is the outdoor property. Visítenos aquí en cmauctions.com for more information. Esta va a estar subastada por aire. Online auction only, folks. It is an online auction only. Go to cmauctions.com. Get yourself registered. Register to bid. And you will need to pay a $100 registration fee. It's a one-time fee. It is a refundable fee, folks. It is a refundable fee as long as you're in good standing with the company. In 90 days, your $100 will be refunded if you request. cmauctions.com. It's got I think that's a water well thing. It's got some propane tank back here. I guess they used to do some sandblasting. Hacían sandblasting aquí en este lugar, Montez Electrical. It's got another exit. You going down that way, and if you can park this way, or you can drive out this way. You can have employees come in through here. Por aquí tiene otra salida. Visítenos aquí en cmauctions.com para más información. It does have a side door over here. Let me show you. Side door right over there. So you can enter to the warehouse. Para que pueda entrar para la warehouse esta, tiene una puerta a cada lado. Acá es donde lavaban el equipo. This is where they would wash the equipment, whatever water they needed. It's got about a 3-inch thick water hose in diameter. Don't know if it's working or not, but this is what they used. It's got a drainage right there. Tiene su drenaje aquí. Visítenos aquí en cmauctions.com para más información. cmauctions.com.